Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to iPhone 15. Let's go. Hold down the Create and PlayStation buttons at the same time. Is the controller flashing blue? Pairing mode is enabled. Open Bluetooth settings. Turn on Bluetooth. Choose your PlayStation 5 controller. Done. That's it. Now you know how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to iPhone 15. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.